Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix borrow option not showing in Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to get borrow option. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap your profile, and from here you have to tap on verify your identity. So just simply have to verify your identity first, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you have activated your Cash App card. So just simply have to activate the Cash App card, and after activating it guys, just simply use the Cash App card more frequently, and after that guys, hopefully you can get the borrow option. Okay guys, use the Cash App more frequently, and after that guys, you can easily get that feature. If the option is still not available for you, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to make sure that you're using latest version of the app. For that guys, you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the Cash App. And after that guys, if you see the update button, just simply have to update the Cash App, and if you can't, then it means you are using latest version of the app. Okay guys, if you're using latest version of the app and still it's not working for you guys, then you have to scroll it down and tap on. So for me guys, what you have to do is just simply have to search for borrow. So let me search for the borrow guys. So let me search for the borrow. You can see guys, borrow. What is borrow? Why can't I use borrow yet? Tap on that. Now tap on chat, and you can easily chat with Cash App support team and tell them that you want to get the borrow option, but borrow option is not available. So they will assist you, and hopefully they will resolve your issue. Hopefully they will give you the borrow option. So that's pretty much part of the video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.